In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Tesla key to your Apple Wallet, allowing you to access your car with just a tap of your phone. Let's walk through this simple process step by step, and soon you'll have your Tesla key ready to go right from your Apple Wallet. First of all, you'll want to head over to the App Store. Once you're there, you'll need to download an app called Pass2You Wallet. Go ahead and find it, and then click on Get to install the app onto your device. This is a great tool that integrates seamlessly with your Apple Wallet, making it a fantastic option for adding your Tesla key card. Once the app has successfully downloaded and installed, open it up. You should find yourself on the home screen of the app. From here, look for an orange plus sign. Go ahead and click on that, which will allow you to add new passes to your wallet. After clicking the plus sign, you'll see an option that says Apply a Pass Template. Go ahead and select that option. You'll be taken to a search bar. In this search bar, type in Tesla to bring up vehicle-specific templates. Next, you'll need to search for the template that matches your specific vehicle. So be sure to double check the model and year of your Tesla to ensure you're selecting the correct option. Once you have found the right template for your car, click on Next. Here comes the important part: personalizing the pass with your vehicle's information. Click on the pencil icon, which will allow you to edit details. You'll need to enter your vehicle identification number, also known as the VIN, along with your email address, the model of your car, and the year it was made. Take your time to make sure all the information you enter is correct. Once you're confident everything is accurate, click Done to complete this step. After inputting all the essential details, click on Add. This step is crucial as it will finalize the creation of your Tesla Key Pass and add it to your Apple Wallet. Now that you've completed the setup process, it's a good idea to double check everything. Open your wallet app and make sure your Tesla key card is showing up correctly. This quick verification will ensure everything is set up properly. And there you have it. Your Tesla card key is now safely stored in your Apple Wallet, ready to use whenever you need it. This process not only helps streamline your access to your vehicle, but also adds an extra layer of convenience to your Tesla experience. Enjoy the seamless transition to a modern digital car key system.